Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. So this is the second part of our lesson today, which I'm going to cover a little bit about simple present tense. Basically, simple present tense is the tenses that we use to show the habit that we do every day, or it is a regular routine in our daily activities, such as learning, eating, playing, or sleeping. Let's do a little bit of revision on what is subject, what is verb. In simple present tense, the verb is following the subject. So in subject, we have two categories, which is the first one is singular, and the second one is plural. What is the differences between singular and plural? Singular is a subject which is consists of one person only. One person. Oh, it's still big. One person only. One person. And plural is more than 2%. In this column, in these three columns, they already divided the subject into singular and plural. For I is special. It is one person, but the verb using the act as the plural. Okay, we leave the I first. Let's take a look on you, we, and they. These are all plural. Means they are more than 2%, including you. She, he, it is all singular. Okay, the verb that we use in simple present tense is according to the subject in a sentence. So for I, it must use am. For plural, we use are, and singular, we use is. For another verb, such as read. Read is a root word. I will be, the verb for I is read. For plural, also read. But for singular, the verb must add s, so it becomes reads. So the formula is, for singular, subject, verb plus s. For plural, subject and the verb without s, root word. Alright, now let's do some practice. First, we need to identify which is the subject in the sentence. Number 1, my friend. My friend. So the subject here is my friend. Friend. There is only one friend. So subject, singular subject. So the verb must plus s. Help will become helps. I, even though it is only one person for I, but it behaving like plural. So the verb do not add with s. There is no s in the verb. Thus, the answer is sleep. He is singular. Well, the go must add s. In this case, go becomes goes. They is plural. The answer is go. Kids is plural. So like no s. Do you some help? You is the subject, you is plural. Remember, you is plural. You is plural. So, is there any S that we have to put after need? No, we don't have to put S. So, the answer is need. Number 7. Does he want to take admission in college? Okay, class. For these questions, the first part, the subject is he. Subject is he, which is singular. Which one is the verb for this subject? The verb is does. Well, the second verb acts as root word. Does he want? We don't have to put S for the second verb. Number 8. Same thing as the question number 7. Does David play? Number 9. Do you like? Number 10. She is singular, so we have to put S for the verb. She knows. I move. No S. He, singular, wants. 13. The patient. How many patient here? There is only one patient. So the patient takes. "14. I." For I, so we have to use root word, kata dasar, take. And number 15, she is singular, so love become loves. Okay. So I repeat once again. For singular subject, the verb must put S. Add S. For plural and I and plural, no S or nothing to be added because we use the root word. Okay, this is specially designed for simple present tense. Okay, now let's do together activity book page 28. To Jaden at coolmail.com, from Jiahao at fastmail.com. Subject, trip to Pulau Selingan. Hi Jaden, how are you? I'm going to use the red. Hi Jaden, how are you? I haven't heard from you in a while. Hope you are fine. We is plural, so the be verb, there are 3. Am, are, and is. Am is for I, are for plural, and is for singular. We is plural, so the answer is We are now at Pulau Selingan. It is located a few kilometers in the Sulu Sea, north of Sandakan, Sabah. We arrived here an hour ago by speedboat. This island, they refer to only one island, which is singular. So this island is one of the 3 islands used for turtle conservation. It is one, singular. It is also the first turtle hatchery in Malaysia. Green turtles and hawksbill turtles. How many subject here? How many subject mentioned here? There are more than one, green turtles and hawksbill turtles. So use root word. Come here to nest almost every night. Pulau Selingan is the only island so there is only one subject. Well, we have to add S for allows. Allows visitors to see the process. You plural, you can watch. Turtles lay their eggs ashore and see how the eggs are collected. See is refer to you. Perbuatan see ni refer kepada you, subjek yang sama untuk dua verb. Satu watch, lagi satu see. Okay, continue. A female turtle, so is singular. So bila singular, we have to add S for the verb. Digs a hole in the sand. Then she lays about 40 to 200 eggs in it. The female turtle takes. Why takes? Because there is only one turtle mentioned here. Takes about 1 to 2 hours to lay all the eggs. After she leaves, the workers. Okay, now the workers is plural. So bila plural tak perlu tambah S. The workers move the eggs to a safe place to be hatched. Later the workers, again workers plural, do their best to make sure most of the baby turtles make it to the sea. Isn't that interesting? I have to go now. I will send you pictures in my next email. Bye. Your friend Jia Hao. Alright. I hope everyone will get most correct for this exercise. Okay. Now we are at the end of our lesson. For your holiday, for the coming holiday, I hope everyone will do a revision by finishing your homework. The first homework is on activity book page 27 and the second one is textbook on page 49. Both are writing exercise. I'm going to put the page on the Google Classroom so you can refer to the homework on the classroom. Okay, don't forget, after you have finished your homework, first please snap your homework clearly and then send to my WhatsApp number, and after that I'm going to give you your QR point. That is for today. Thank you for attending my class and Assalamualaikum.